It's what non-car people don't get. They see all cars as just a ton and a half, 2 tons of wires, glass, metal and rubber. That's all they see. People like you or I know we have an unshakable belief that cars are living entities, yet you can develop a relationship with a car, and that's what non-car people just don't get.
Why do these beautiful machines have some of us so hooked and so consumed with them? It's freedom. It's the feeling of something that's just been taking you around the limited area of where your life has existed so far, and now you're in control of it. And you can take it anywhere you want to go and see anything you want to see as long as you have it. You can use it to express yourself, to understand yourself. And that's the beautiful thing about cars, and so many people don't understand, but for those of us who do, and those of us who really do love cars, it's a beautiful thing. We take something that we love and we build it into a version of ourselves. Everybody's car is unique to them and expresses their own personality.